Today we're going to talk about balancing time and money when selling an estate home in San Diego County. Hi, I'm Ashley Rivera with Probate and Trust Help, and I want to talk to you as a personal representative of an estate about balancing time versus money when you're selling a loved one's home. The reason I want to talk to you about this is because you may find that you get trapped in deciding whether you should spend time or you should spend money so that you can get things moving forward. We're going to talk about buyout companies, estate sales, home repairs, and how you should go about planning all of these items and using your real estate provider's expertise to help guide you through the process. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button. Oftentimes, when selling an estate home, there are lots of personal items that your loved one has collected over the years. One of the most important things to keep in mind is that you, as the personal representative, have seen your loved one collect lots of items that they think have significant value. And the reality is that the resale value of those items may not be what your loved one considered them to be. If you think that there are lots of valuable items to be appraised in a home, you can reach out to an estate sale company. The estate sale company could either use photos or they may come to the home and assess the personal property and determine if an estate sale is worth your time. Please be careful when you choose an estate sale company, because there are estate sale companies that are out there that will always tell you that there is resale value, but may not provide you with a lot of the money that comes from the sale of those items. If there is a minimum amount that an estate sale company requires to make, you want to assess that number and really determine if the items in the home will sell at that number. The reason I say this is, let's say you want to do an estate sale and an estate sale company comes in and says that they need to make at least $4,000, and if they don't make $4,000 on the sale of the items, you're responsible for providing them with whatever the difference may be. This doesn't happen often, but there are companies that will do this. And so you want to really read whatever contracts you choose to go with thoroughly so that you are not scammed out of money that you should have received. If an estate sale company comes in and they're a reputable estate sale company, maybe your real estate provider has referred you to them, or a friend or someone else has told you that they did an excellent job when they helped them, they may say to you that there is not enough resale value in the items in the home. When that happens, there are other options out there. We work with several buyout companies who will come in, look at the items in the home, and either choose to offer you a small sum to take everything or ask for a small sum to take everything. When this happens, they will take all the items in the home. So this could be things that have resale value, all the trash. Sometimes we even ask them to pull up carpet if a home has a lot of damage. Or we've had times that we've asked them to mow down the lawn in the back, because that would just be one additional cost to the estate, and they are already there taking all the items, and they are fine with taking on the cost of that particular maintenance item. It might be that they're charging, let's say, a few $1,000s to do all of this, but in the end, you quickly have an empty home that then you can repair or resell. This is where time and money comes into play. Are you going to spend time waiting for an estate sale company to set everything up and ensure that they are going to get the right amount of money? Or are you going to choose to go the quick route and have a buyout company come in and take everything for you within a matter of a few weeks at the most? You have to determine, do you want to spend time or do you want to spend money? And which one is of most value to you? Okay, back to repairs. Sometimes we get into a home and it's been emptied, but there are lots of deferred maintenance items that need to be handled. If the deferred maintenance items exceed more than what is of value to the estate, we will guide our clients through making a decision as to whether they should handle repairs or sell as is. The reason this is a time versus money item is because repairs are going to cost money and they're going to cost time. But with that, you might have a higher resale value. When it comes to choosing not to do the repairs and sell to an investor, it's going to be a quick sale, but you're probably going to get less than if you had done the repairs. So you have to determine, with the assistance of professionals around you, whether or not the repairs that are available to you to do in the home are going to be the right choice, or if selling as is will be of more value to the estate. With that, you need to keep in mind, what are the additional costs through the process? If you still have a mortgage to pay on the home, or there are debts that need to be paid, we've had homes that the city has sent out notices and they need to be sold quickly, or else the city is going to confiscate them from the estate. You have to make these decisions based on the personal circumstances of your particular sale. So, this has been time versus money. We've talked about estate sales, buyout companies, and selling as is, as well as repairs. These are things that you need to keep in mind when going through the process, and we would love to help lead, guide, and protect you through that. I'm Ashley Rivera of Probate and Trust Help, and I hope you found this video of value. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and if you have a question, leave it in the comments below. Have a great day.